Hey there, my name's Alistair and I want to help you start an online business using Shopify. So I'm going to show you how step by step, going from start to finish. Let me show you how to start a profitable online store using the Shopify platform from start to finish, and by the end of this video series you'll know everything necessary to start a highly lucrative online dropshipping business or any type of e-commerce store you desire. This is me, my name is Alistair from Mark. So let's quickly have a look at what you're going to learn in this video series. You're going to learn the initial registration. It's very simple, takes you less than 5 minutes. You can continue learning more through the Shopify Academy once you log in. You can change your theme. I'll show you how. You need to create a blog and use SEO to get your content found. I'll also show you how to do that within Shopify. Creating your Shopify store is straightforward. It's a series of pages. I'll show you how to set them up, including a contact page, your security policies, and all other legal pages that are all created within Shopify. I'll show you how to correct the navigation and add the contact page and any other pages. We'll discuss domains, connecting yours or buying one directly through Shopify. I'll show you general settings, SEO, Google Analytics, and Facebook. We're not going to go too in depth with Facebook because there are so many courses available online that you can go and pursue. What I will do, however, is give you links to go learn more about Facebook marketing on your own. For me to do that within this video series, it's going to take up too much time and I'm not going to be able to cover the depth that's necessary for you to get a full understanding. That's why I said I'll give you links to go and learn about Facebook advertising and you can take it from there. I'll show you the general settings where you sort out and fill in your address, measurements, and your local currency. In your payment section, I'll show you how to connect PayPal, or you can add any third-party integrations. In the checkout section, I'll show you how to customize the checkout page. There's various links there where you can just choose what you want to change and how you want it to look to make it your own. For the shipping section, there are rates you need to complete. You can change the packaging, you can add slips, and there are various shipping integrations which you could use. In the tax section, you need to understand what your taxation legal terms and procedures are within your own region where you live so that you can incorporate them into your Shopify store. If you're planning to have multiple vendors working for you, or if you decide to have multiple locations from which you're going to ship any inventory, you can add these within Shopify. Within the notification section, you can customize what you send, what you receive, and how notifications look before they go out. Under the file section, you'll find anything you upload to Shopify in the Files tab. In the sales channels, you'll find Facebook integration, Instagram, Messenger, eBay, and Amazon. You can use all of these channels to push your products out to these social media platforms and market your business. Under plans, you can manage your plan, upgrade, get help, stop or close your store completely. In the billing section, you can see and manage all Shopify invoices all in one place. Under the legal section, you can create and manage all your store's legal pages in one place. In the audit section, you can go and have a look at all orders received and manage your customers' orders through there. Products, you can add, remove, and manage any inventory coming to your store. Under the customer tab, you can see all your customer details when they order and their history, so that you can create campaigns to better target them. In the analytics section, you'll get a general overview of what's happening in your store. There's a lot of details you can look into, but you'll see more when you get to the actual analytics video I've shot for you. In the marketing section, you'll be able to set up marketing campaigns for Google and Facebook. The discount section is where you can create discount codes, coupons, and you can also supply gift cards to your customers to keep them coming back to your store. And you also get to reward loyal customers. In the app section, there are a lot of different apps you can use to extend the functionality of your store. In the future, I will probably create a list of apps that are best for you to use when you first start out. But then as you get more experience within Shopify, you can then pick and choose which ones are best for you. You'll see within the video series that there are 2 or 3 apps that I recommend, but it's entirely up to you what you choose to use in your business. So you'll find a link in all our description boxes underneath each video. Please understand that I'm an affiliate, and yes, I am trying to make money from doing what I'm doing, but I'm not forcing you to do anything at all. What I'm doing is I'm creating this content for you so that you can understand how Shopify works. And if you would like to support me, then please do use my affiliate link to sign up for a 14-day trial. And if you decide to actually go forth and create your business, please do so. There's no pressure from me. What I'm doing is I'm providing value so that you can maybe reciprocate and use my link to sign up and build your business. If ever you have any questions, I'm here to help you. Just ask and I'll do whatever I can to help you with whatever situation you have. Thank you. I hope you get a lot out of the video series, and if you do suggest or want to suggest anything that I should create for you, please leave a comment and I'll do what I can to get back to you. Thanks so much. Enjoy the course.